Welcome you in the bio class. I am going to explain you how the microbes are useful in energy generation. There are several microbes which are useful in solving the problems of energy crisis. Synthetic fuels which are produced by microbes are ethanol, methane, hydrogen and hydrocarbons. Till now for the energy we depend on fossil fuel, but fossil fuels are limited. Fossil fuels are non-renewable and exhaustible source of fuel. Therefore, we have to find out some other sources of fuel. We have to search, we have to discover some other alternative source of energy. Otherwise, big problem will come. Without energy, our industries cannot run. Microbes can fulfill our need. We can produce ethanol, methane, hydrogen and hydrocarbons by microbes, and these can be alternative source of energy. There is an yeast fungus, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is used for the production of ethanol. So ethanol we can produce in the large scale, in huge quantity by fermentation process using yeast fungus. There are some bacteria, methanogens. Methanogens bacteria, that is methanobacterium, can produce methane gas from excreta of animal, cattle and sludge of sewage. That methane gas can be used as fuel. Some more microbes are Zymomonas mobilis and Thermoanaerobacter ethanolicus are very important microbes in energy generation. There are several algae. They have the capability of producing hydrogen gas from water in sunlight. So in future, ethanol, methane, hydrogen and hydrocarbons can be the source of energy, and it can solve the problem of energy crisis. Many microbes are involved in petroleum formation, exploration for petroleum, cleanup oil spills, and deterioration of petroleum product. They also increase the recovery of petroleum. Now, at the present time, we are using gasohol. Gasohol is the mixture of 90% unleaded gasoline and 10% alcohol. In some countries, percentage of alcohol has increased. So, it will reduce the dependence on the petroleum. Next is biogas. Biogas is the mixture of methane gas and some other gases. Biogas is generated by methanogens bacteria. It is produced in the sewage treatment plant from the sludge of sewage, and it is also produced from the excreta of cattle. So when it is generated from the excreta of cattle, it is called gobar gas. and this gobar gas can be used for generating energy. Next is the hydrogen. So we are getting the hydrogen from the water by biophotolysis process, and several bacteria are involved in this process. So these microbes can solve the problem of energy in future.